May viewing po ba, ma'am?
Yes, meron. Tomorrow is going to be transferred according to them. Yata na yung campus yata.
Okay.
Kasalukuyan nag-cremate. And I was waiting for a friend. Hindi ko na mahintay dahil I was enervated dahil po yata kagabi. Because I spoke before the Johannes Ross Society kanina. Siyempre, mag-prepare ka naman konti.
Ma'am, mga what time siya ta-transfer bukas?
That I don't know. Pero ang sabi nila, ita-transfer siya bukas sa Ateneo. JU? Chapel? I don't know what that chapel is.
Okay.
Ma'am, how's the Aquino sisters po?
Well, of course, the most emotional is Chris. And ano naman sila? Stoic. Bakit hindi ba kayo pumasok doon?
Bawal po kami, ma'am.
Bawal.
Sino pa po, ma'am, yung mga nandun sa loob, ma'am?
You know, it's difficult to
Distinguish.
pagkilala dahil nandito sa mga face mask.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga sabi niya, ako si Susan. Ay, Susan, social secretary. I could not recognize her because of this, di ba? Ako rin naman.
Is the Vice President, ma'am, still there?
No, I didn't see her. Wala na siguro. Otherwise, I would have seen her. We can't miss her.
Ma'am, under cremate.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.